Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The major stock indexes were mostly down today, except for the Nasdaq Composite, which edged up by 1.15 points, closing at 22,697.10. The S&P 500 declined 14.67 to end at 6,781.31, continuing its strong negative trend. While the S&P 500 saw significant declines outnumbering advances with 349 to 142, the Dow 30 also reflected a similar downward breadth with 16 declines over 14 advances. A mixed negative trend persists across these indexes as more declines are noted. In total returns, the Nasdaq Composite showed the best weekly gain with a total return of 1.38%. Meanwhile, the S&P 400 midcap shows mixed results with a positive year-to-date total return of 3.67% despite today's decline. In sectors, communication services led gains, closing up by 1.17 points at 450.37, with an upward breakout after 3 days of consolidation. Meanwhile, technology continues its strong negative trend despite closing higher. The energy sector saw a downtrend, closing 11.33 points lower at 848.41 after a downward breakout from 6 days of sideways movement. Healthcare also dropped 13.10 points, showing mixed negative trends amid today's session. In global markets, Chile gained 2.3%, closing at 40.68, its third consecutive day of gains. China followed closely with a 1.7% rise, ending at 58.70, despite its strong negative trend. Returns for the week showed Chile with impressive performance, boasting a 4.33% weekly return. Although China had a muted monthly performance, its weekly return reached 3.49%, reflecting resilience despite broader market weaknesses. In technology stocks, the market showed a collective upward movement. Apple closed at 260.83, increasing by 0.95. This marks 2 consecutive days upward despite a stronger negative trend. Alphabet also ended up by 0.92, resting at 306.93, experiencing a similar streak with a mixed negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Today, Bitcoin shows some upward movement, reaching a current price of $70,290, with a price increase of 1,857.83. It has a 2-day upward streak. Despite an upward bump, the trend remains mixed negative with ongoing volatility. Leading with returns, Bitcoin shows impressive short-term performance with a week-to-date return of over 6.5%. While monthly gains are notable, the year-to-date return is still negative, lagging by almost 20%. Other cryptos like Ethereum and Dogecoin also show mixed trends with positive short-term returns, but struggle over the year.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar against the euro is mostly flat, standing at 0.8607 USD and showing negligible change. It's a mixed day as the US dollar gains 0.19% over the British pound to 0.7452 USD. Meanwhile, an upward push of 0.23% sees the US dollar climbing against the Japanese yen to reach 158.022. The US dollar also advances against the Swiss franc by 0.21%, standing at 0.7786 USD. However, it's down against the Australian dollar by 0.59%, now at 1.4042 USD and experiencing volatility today.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.